Hello, today we discuss about the basic of Excel. At the very up top, this is a quick access toolbar. On the below of the quick access toolbar, home, insert, draw, layout and others. This is known as tabs. At the earlier, these tabs is known as menu bar. Every tab has different option which is known as ribbon. This is the ribbon. If you double click the tab, the ribbon will be hidden. Again, if you double click the tab, the ribbon will be come back. Go to the right side and here you can see a small button. If you double click the bottom, the ribbon will be hidden. Again, you double click the tab, the ribbon will be come back. Every tab has different ribbon and the ribbon has different option. If you come down a little bit, there you can see a box. This box is name box. Name box give you the location of the cell where your cursor is now. Now my cursor is here. Now my location is C4. The right side of the name box, there is also a box whose name is formula bar. When you write a formula in a cell, you get the solution. If you want to expand the formula bar, go to the right and click the bottom, and if you want to close and click again. Other things are you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the column heading. If you click on any one column heading, the entire column gets selected. If you click on any one column heading, the entire column gets selected. On the left hand side, you can see row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the row heading. If you click on any one row heading, the entire row gets selected. If you click on any one row heading, the entire row gets selected. If you come down at the bottom, here you can see sheet 1, sheet 2. These are the number of sheet. This sheet is different each other. If you click on plus sign, the sheet number will be increasing. If you want to see all the sheet at one place, go to the left hand side, at right arrow sign, just click right of mouse and you get all the sheet at one place. This is the number of sheet. I have another workbook to understand better. This is the another workbook. Right click on the mouse, then you can get all the name of sheets. If you want to enter a particular sheet, please double click. I want to enter Mars. Now I double click on the Mars. Again, if you want to go to the dialog box, please right click and select the another sheet like May. Please double click here. This is the sheet. Now let's come on the right hand side at the bottom. There is a scroll bar which is screen zoom scroll bar. If you click on the plus sign, the size of the cell get increases. If you click on the minus sign, the size of the cell decreases. But remember, tab or menu bar does not increase or decrease. This is constant. Next we see here is two scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar. If you clicking on the scroll bar, the screen goes horizontally forward. Similarly, if you want to bring it backward, please click here. If you want to screen go to down, you have to click on the vertical scroll bar. Similarly, if you want to bring it back, click here. Next, if you come to the top, there is another option, close, minimize, maximize. Then if you want to come this place, this is the name of file, book 1. You can change this file name. Last one, go to the left hand side. If you click on the file button, these are different options available. In some Microsoft Excel version, you do not have this file button. You have as office button. Click on this office button, you get the same option. New, open, save, save as, and other option is available. Now I come back the main place. So I hope you have understood all the topic. Thank you.